Hey Doug, I just spent some time in your Art 330 seminar class. Mostly I have more questions than feedback just because I'm not familiar with iLearn 3. But I like your announcements page. I think it's neat that you can use this for this class and for your other class. And as I scroll through here, it looks like you are posting to this more than you're posting to your announcements pages in iLearn 2. Again, just if you can work on, when you send an email, just put it in announcements so that students have a record of what you've done. Let me just show you what I've done so far for this course. Just said, students really struggling with iLearn 3 interface, missing content, not intuitive, spends the time putting out fires, and I can see you putting in those fires. The score isn't real, it's just whatever I've put in there so far. I don't have a lot to offer here. I know that you do build faith in Christ in your notes on occasion, or most of the time. I couldn't show you where right now because I'm not good at iLearn 3, but I did see your announcements and it did show me newsfeed. So I went there and could see the things. And again, it looks like, this is a 9-day spread between notes, but then you've got several right here. So I don't know, sometimes there's a big gap, like this is an 8-day gap. So my understanding is that you should be posting notes each week. Are you? And if you are, why aren't they here and dated? So just let me know what's going on with your notes, and if you're sharing spiritual things in your notes each week, that would be great. So I'd love to hear about it. Developing relationships with and among students. I just can't see this yet without your help because I can't see your feedback in the gradebook. Inspiring love for learning. I think you're doing that in your notes and your efforts to smooth the way for students. Where else? Again, I'm sure it's in your feedback. I just can't see it. You get 7s in Embrace just for being in TGL, doing a good job there. I'd love to hear, the development opportunities you're taking. And then, so I saw your great content in the introductory newsfeed. I'm not, if there isn't a profile, you can just point me to it if you don't mind. Here I have your great content. Looks like you're posting at least once a week, but then I looked closer and you're not, so I'm wondering what's going on there. And then, yeah, it's so weird to me that your newsfeed isn't linked to the modules each week. I just don't get that, but okay. And then discussions, I just can't find you in discussions. So you can, again, let me know. So if you're letting me know, where's the profile, where are discussions, and do you have any suggestions for how I can see your feedback? Because I will click in the gradebook. I did have a question on projects. These aren't scored from weeks 1 and 4 and 2, and I don't know why. So if you could help me know why, because I know you're conscientious about grading. But yeah, I couldn't find those things. But here, when there are feedback things, I'll click on the assignment, and then I'll click on this, and it just, like this time it's not even letting me do anything. It just freezes. So anyway, if you can let me know if you have any insights on how I can record content, that would be lovely. And then grades, I can't see your scores. It looks like you're timely, except those projects I was wondering about, and assignment feedback, I just can't see it. So I need help seeing where you are in discussion boards and seeing a bit of your feedback and knowing how that's going for you. If you have any other questions or concerns about this class, let me know. Thanks for watching me fumble through your class.